Hello everybody, welcome to Hikeers. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on proportional editing in Blender. Like always, I will have my screencast keys enabled in the bottom left of my screen, so anything I do will show up there. And with that being said, let's get into the video. To enable proportional editing in Blender, it's really simple. All you have to do is press O on your keyboard. Now, what proportional editing does is basically, I'm going to do this in edit mode for simplicity, but it does work outside of edit mode. It basically allows you to move one object. As you can see, I'm moving the object, but even though I have one, or not object, but vertice, you can move one vertice or object, and it will move things around it also, but just with a smaller scale. So as you can see right here, I am moving only one vertice, but that one vertice is dragging others along with it. Now, if you want to make this range bigger or smaller, all you have to do is scroll in to make it smaller and out to make it bigger. Now, like I said, this does work outside of edit mode. So if you want to, or let's use this cube as an example. As you can see, the sphere is dragging the cube along with it wherever it goes. Now, if you want to disable it just because you only want to move one object or 1 point on an object, all you have to do is select O again. And now it's back to normal. Nothing else is moving. Hold on, let me just disable it. Yeah, nothing else is moving. If you found this video tutorial useful, make sure you like and subscribe. And with that being said, bye-bye.